Welcome to the Imago moment. One simple insight to help you thrive as a couple. Still blaming your partner for that argument? What if the pattern is the real problem? We all fall into patterns. One person criticizes, the other person shuts down, or one person pleads and the other person gets really defensive. But here's the thing. The fight isn't actually about the dishwasher or about that look they gave you. It's usually about something deeper. Unspoken needs, mismatched coping strategies, or old wounds. Imago helps us slow it all down and get curious. What's actually happening underneath that repetitive loop? So next time you feel triggered, ask yourself, what's the deeper feeling I haven't shared yet? That's where connection starts. See you next time.